Hello everyone, welcome back to a tech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to create a Shopee account. Shopee Private Limited is a Singaporean multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce. Shopee was first launched in Singapore in 2015 and later expanded its reach to Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, Indonesia, Vietnam, the Philippines, Brazil, and Mexico. It is a great platform for those who want to purchase and sell their goods online. So without further ado, let's get started. Click open a web browser first and in the search box type in shopee.com and press the enter on your keyboard. From the very first interface of the website, click on your country or region, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website. In order to create an account, go and click on the sign up button at the upper right and then enter your phone number in the text field. Once you enter your phone number, click on the next button. You can also sign up using your Facebook, Google, or your Apple account. Sign into your social networking site, whatever you choose. In my case, I'm using my Facebook, so let me go ahead and enter my Facebook credentials. Start by entering your email or your phone number in the first text field, and then go ahead and enter your Facebook password, and then click on Login. And soon after you do that, you'll be signed up to Shopee using your Facebook account. That is how you can easily create your Shopee account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.